Hello, my name is Harold and I'd be delighted to work for you and add value to your organization. My experience is leading people in challenging and difficult situations, like in a project environment with tight deadlines and heavy workload, or in line function with a reorganization taking place and the new structure yet to be developed. In my assignments, I lay focus on developing the whole group and increasing the team's overall performance and also the satisfaction. My management style is lean and I lead by asking questions. But if necessary or requested, I also can judge individual performance and usher the selection process. I have led heterogeneous teams in the financial market sector, mainly in the information technology area. For example, in a team developing withholding tax statements, I led the operational test team consisting completely out of freelance staff. Or in another assignment, it was the 24/7 operational processing systems for pan-European payment service provider. And we used the ITIL methodology for deployment, change management, incident, and problem management. I'm a certified stock trader in Germany and I'm bilingual in German and English. Thank you for listening. Herzlichen Dank fürs Zuhören.